Media personality Toke Makinwa has taken to her Twitter handle to lament about the lack of air conditioners at the Murtala Mohammed International Airport in Lagos. Toke, who just arrived the country, said she was dripping in sweat after she touched down at the airport. She wrote, "Touchdown Lagos, Nigeria, and the heat at the airport is insane. Why would the AC at arrivals not work? The fans blowing hot air and officers having to work under such circumstances. I said, what a country. I am standing at arrivals, dripping in sweat, and all I can think is the officers in the box who have to endure this daily. Like we have all just accepted this as normal, because we go into our cars with AC after. But these people who work here under such harsh conditions are human too. No wonder they take out their anger and impatience on travelers. You enter Nigeria and pick up stress. Yuck."